If you're looking to batch write lead magnets or PDFs with AI help, you're in the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to get it done efficiently using AI, and I'll even recommend a software that can make this process a whole lot easier. Stick around because I'll also share a special exclusive free trial just for you to follow along. First, let's break down the power of AI when creating lead magnets. Normally, you'd need hours of research and writing to get your lead magnets, like ebooks or PDFs, ready to go. But with the right AI tool, you can speed up this entire process, turning what would take days into just a few hours. Start by outlining your main idea or theme for the lead magnet. You don't need to get super detailed right away, just think of the big picture. Once you have a concept, you'll use AI to generate your content. With our software, simply input your outline, and the AI will fill in the gaps, expanding on your ideas to create complete paragraphs and sections. The best part, it's adaptable, so if you want to focus on a specific subtopic or change the tone, you can tweak it with just a few clicks. Next, you'll want to use AI to create compelling headlines or subheadings. This is where the real magic happens. With a tool like this, it'll generate catchy and attention-grabbing titles, which can really make your lead magnets pop. These titles are essential because they drive the reader's interest and encourage them to keep reading. As you're writing, don't forget about formatting. Formatting can be a huge time saver. The AI can also help by organizing your document into easy-to-read sections. Just input the main sections and the software will structure it all into an attractive, professional-looking PDF. Another powerful feature is creating different variations of your content. Batch writing means you don't want to manually create several different lead magnets one at a time. AI makes this easy. You can create several variations of your lead magnets in just one go. This can save you time and allow you to A/B test different approaches to see which one resonates more with your audience. Now, if you're thinking about how to get started, here's the good news. I've tested out several popular AI tools, and I'm recommending the one I found to be the most efficient for batch writing lead magnets. You'll find an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. That's only available for viewers of this channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. One key takeaway here is that batch writing lead magnets with AI can save you tons of time and effort. With the right AI software, you can produce high-quality PDFs in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Just remember to outline your idea, use AI to flesh it out, create great headlines, format your document, and produce multiple variations all at once. To wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. You'll be able to follow along and start batch writing your own lead magnets or PDFs with AI help right away. Thanks for watching.